Have you ever felt like you were being treated unfairly at work, perhaps overlooked for an opportunity or paid less than a colleague, and wondered if it had anything to do with your gender? It is a frustrating and often confusing experience, leaving you questioning what is truly happening and what you can do about it. Illegal workplace gender discrimination occurs when an employee or job applicant is treated differently, less favorably, or disadvantaged because of their gender or gender identity. This unequal treatment can manifest in various aspects of employment, from hiring decisions to compensation and promotions, creating an unfair playing field. The core reason this is illegal is rooted in federal law, specifically Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This landmark legislation prohibits discrimination based on sex, among other protected characteristics. States and even some cities also have their own laws offering further protections. The law aims to ensure that employment decisions are based on qualifications and performance, not on stereotypes or biases related to someone's gender. This includes discrimination against women, men, and individuals of any gender identity. To identify potential discrimination, start by observing patterns. Are women consistently paid less for similar work than men, or are male colleagues regularly passed over for promotions in favor of less qualified women? Document specific instances where you or others were treated differently. Note the date, time, location, involved parties, and a factual account of what happened. For example, if you were denied a training opportunity offered to male peers, write it down. Compare your experiences with those of colleagues of a different gender, looking for discrepancies in workload, opportunities, or disciplinary actions. A key concept in identifying discrimination is understanding the difference between disparate treatment and disparate impact. Disparate treatment is direct, intentional discrimination, like telling a woman she cannot be promoted because it is a man's job. Disparate impact, on the other hand, occurs when a seemingly neutral policy or practice disproportionately harms one gender, even if there was no explicit intent to discriminate. An example could be a height requirement for a job that is not essential to safety or performance, which might disproportionately exclude women. Ultimately, recognizing illegal gender discrimination means understanding that your employment rights extend to fair treatment regardless of your gender. By carefully observing, documenting, and comparing your experiences, you empower yourself to identify when those rights are being violated. This knowledge is your first step towards ensuring a workplace that values everyone equally and upholding the principles of fairness and respect.